Hi guys, this is me again, Jair Mamaklay, your property geek. If you haven't checked the Manila Bulletin Property Living section, we have our latest column or article there, no? We are contributing there twice a month, of course, through Real Estate Parent. So we're now on Manila Bulletin. Check it out, guys. Aside from our Facebook, TikTok account, and our YouTube channel. So guys, ang intention ng video na to, no? Baka napanood nyo na yung mga previous video natin about Una Apartment, no? The IKEA furnished high-end condo dito sa area. Pero, Jaire, ano nga ba talaga yung mas maganda? Kasi before, si Zadia, no? Yung talagang nape-present mo, doon ka nakabili. Tapos, nag-offer ka ng bago, which is si Una Apartments. Yes, meron silang differences, mga konting difference sa isa't isa. Pero, para mas matulungan kayo kung ano nga ba yung bagay sa akin, Jaire, in terms of price, ano nga ba yung pasok sa akin? Is it Zadia? Is it Una Apartment? In terms of like the area, kung ano yung ma-offer na rental market potential nito if I am just buying it for investment purposes, ito yung video na to, no, yung makakatulong sa inyo para ma-differentiate natin at para mas matulungan ko kayo kung ano nga ba yung bagay na property sa inyo. So, here is our video comparing the two of the best selling condominium projects here in the area, Zadia of Greenfield City and Una Apartment of Arthaland. Number one, in terms of location, Zadia is located inside Greenfield City. And dito sa area no, na talagang nade-develop na, no, yung matagal nang nako-commercialize dito sa Greater New Valley and Paseo area. At ang talagang pros talaga ni Zadia when it comes to its location, siya yung pinakabungad, no, na malapit sa Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road service or highway, no. Ang pinakamalapit sa kanya na exit is at Eton City exit. Kaya naman yung Tower 1 and Tower 2 niya na fully operational and sold out na, ang talagang naging market nila when it comes to rental market ay mga expat, no? Kasi malapit siya and very accessible din siya sa Techno Park. So Zavina Park naman is located in Binyan City, Laguna. Baka nagtataka kayo, magkalapit lang, Jaire, pero magkaiba naman ng address. Well, don't worry kasi Binyan, Una Apartment is just located at the border of Santa Rosa City and Binyan City. Nagkataon lang na yung kinatatayuan talaga ni Una Apartment or ni Savina Park is nasa Binyan City area na. But kung napanood nyo yung previous video ko about Una Apartment, Savina Park area, 3 to 5 minutes away lang talaga siya kay New Valley. Katabi niya, no, yung sleeping giant na si Broadfield Business District by Ayala, and katabing-katabi niya lang si DLSU. So malapit lang din siya sa Cavite Laguna Expressway connecting to SLEX and connecting to the Skyway, no, papuntang North or Manila area. So location-wise, malapit din sa Techno Park, pareho silang merong ino-offer, no, at wala kayong talo in terms of its location. Number 2, in terms of potential rental market, no? Ano nga ba yung nakikater na potential rental market if you decided, no, na Jai, hindi naman yan pang end use ko. Lalo na yung mga clients natin abroad, no, na talagang nag-iisip for their retirement here na magkaroon ng rental income through real estate. So, mag-discuss tayo, no? Number 1, si Zadia. Ang pinakamalapit na school sa kanya is si University of Santo Tomas. Katabi niya lang si Greenfield Business District, no, ni Greenfield City, yung developer niya, and at the same time malapit siya sa Techno Park. So in terms of using it as a dormitel or using it for long-term or short-term lease, no, para sa mga expat, no, na mag-i-stay sa area, well, yun naman ang maganda kay Zadia kasi evident na dahil may mga nagre-rent na talaga for their towers 1 and 2, no. Pero no questions needed when it comes to potential rental market. Kaya nga, I myself is also an investor of Zadia kasi ako yung nandito sa grounds, no? Ako yung nakaka-experience at nakakakita kung ano yung nangyayari dito sa area, no? Yung development, rental market, and of course, kung ano pa yung magiging future development dito sa area. So that's for Zadia, no? Pwede mo siyang gawing dormitel, pwede mo siyang gawing ang pang long-term lease sa mga expat sa Techno Park. Second is kay Una Apartment, no? Una Apartment, katabing-katabi niya lang talaga si Broadfield Business District, which is considered now yung area niya as the sleeping giant kasi dinidesign talaga nila yan as the Silicon Valley of the Philippines. At talagang it's katawid lang, no? Katawid lang or kaharap lang talaga niya is the De La Salle University Laguna campus, an extension of their main campus in Manila, which is a 50-hectare development. Parang Zadia din, ang inyong magiging rental market sa future, yung mga mag-work, no, sa Broadfield Business District, and yung mga pwede nyong maging client, no, na students, or pwede nyong gawing dormitel na nag-aaral sa DLSU Laguna. Actually, meron ng existing ngayon, no, na parang dormitory na kind of place, no, pero ma-demolish yun, of course, or mawawala na yun kapag meron ng unang apartment, kasi yun naman talaga ang intention ng developer, na sa mga investors na ng unang apartment mag-rent, no, yung mga teachers, faculty, or students ng De La Salle University Laguna. And of course, very accessible din to sa Techno Park. So for future, maganda din to sa expat, no, nakikita ko din to. But both, no, are not allowed for Airbnb. Yan yung napapansin ko ngayon kapag medyo nasa mid to high-end segment ang mga condo, para alagaan yung, of course, yung labas-pasok ng public, and of course, yung safety and security ng specific condominium community. Number 3, in terms of their deliverable unit, ano nga ba yung in-offer, no, ni Zadia at Una Apartment? First, si Zadia, nag-offer siya ng, in general, 24.9 square meter studio unit. If you want a bigger space, wala kasi silang one bedroom or two bedrooms, pwede kang bumili ng 2 adjacent units. So ang tawag nila doon, combined units, para yung isa maging bedroom mo na lang, pero yung isa living, dining, and kitchen area mo. But both, no, meron kang balcony, parang magkakaroon ng hallway sa gitna. So that's for Zadia, no. Ang sukat niya, no, for studio unit is around 24.9 square meter, no, as their standard size. For one bedroom naman, it's at around almost 50 square meter, kasi times 2 mo lang naman yung sukat. For Una Apartments, meron silang tatlong classification. Isang studio, isang one bedroom prime, at isang one bedroom deluxe. Yung studio, it's around 28 square meters. Yung one bedroom prime, it is around 35 square meters. At yung one bedroom deluxe, it's at around 42 to 44 square meters. Number 4, in terms of pricing, no, iaano natin to, hihimay-himayin natin to para hindi siya overwhelming. Pricing muna tayo before payment term, no. In terms of pricing, Zadia offers at around 4.2 to 4.5 million pesos right now for their studio units, including the other charges and or miscellaneous fees, no. But for their combined units, it's around 8 million to 8.5 million pesos. For Una Apartment, for their studio unit, it's at around 7 million to 8 million pesos. For their one bedroom, it is around 9 million to 10 million for their one bedroom prime. Pero yung pinakamalaking area nila for their one bedroom at around 42 to 44, it is at around 10.5 to 11.5 million pesos. Number 5, punta naman tayo sa payment term. For Zadia, they offer 33 months to pay down payment at 0% interest, balance to be loaned through bank, no spot payment sa unahan. Now, very flexible ang payment term ni Zadia, at dahil nga 33 months to pay, you can also have your flexibility na mag-advance payment on top of your very low monthly down payment para lumiliit yung 80% balance na ilo-loan mo sa bangko sa future. Or baka nga dahil almost 3 years ito, kaka-advance mo or mag-balloon payment ka sa dulo, nakaipon ka na, no, wala ka nang ilo-loan. So you bought the property at 0% interest. For Una Apartments naman, marami silang payment terms, no. They're very flexible also. Una, yung tinatawag nilang 10-10-80. Anong ibig sabihin ng 10-10-80, no? 1 month after the date of your reservation, magbabagsak ka ng 10% na spot payment. And then yung remaining na 10%, yun yung pwede mong i-stretch, no, for 48 months at 0% for your down payment term. Kasi di ba, ang standard 20% down payment and then 80% loanable through bank. Pero dito sa unang payment scheme nila, 10-10-80 yung tawag, 10% spot and then 10% yun yung 48 months to pay down payment para mas maliit siya, and then yung 80% yun yung ilo-loan mo. So kung yun yung i-avail nyo, yung 10% na remaining, dahil nga nag-spot ka na ng 10% sa unahan pa lang, mas mababa yung magiging monthly down payment mo for 48 months. So for studio unit, it can be as low as 18,000 pesos per month. For one bedroom, it can be as low as 29,000 pesos per month. Okay, yung next payment scheme naman ni Una Apartment is tinatawag nilang 20/80. Ito, wala talaga tong spot down payment. I-spread equally into 48 months at 0% interest yung 20%, no? So for studio unit, it can be as low as 25,000 to 29,000 pesos per month. For one bedroom, it can be as low as 40,000 to 49,000 pesos per month. Depende sa pwesto, depende sa laki kung prime ba siya or deluxe unit. And the last payment scheme, which is promo ito na payment scheme ni Una Apartment, Step Up payment term yung tawag nila. Anong ibig sabihin nun? No, wala pa ring spot down payment, 20% down payment for 48 months and 80% loanable through bank. Pero yung 20% hindi nila i-equally spread or hindi nila i-divide. Kunwari, yung 20% is 200,000. Hindi nila i-divide yun equally for 48 months. Bibigyan kanila ng time. Kunwari, for the first 12 months, 20,000 pesos. 13th to 24th month, 30,000 pesos. 25th to 36th month, 35,000 pesos. At 37th to 48th month, 45,000 pesos. Ibig sabihin, bibigyan kanila ng time na i-lock-in mo lang yung price. Pero, mababa pa din or uunti-untiin pa rin siyang pataas. No? Para hindi pressure sa'yo na parang, uy, after reservation payment, kahit equally divided siya into 48 months, parang wala akong time, no, na mapaghandaan siya kasi nga, pre-selling pa lang siya. So, yun yung maganda din. Pero kahit naman hindi nyo ma-avail to ng November 1, napakaganda pa rin ang payment term because just like Zadia payment term, mas mahaba pa nga ito. 4 years to pay at 0% down payment, mag-balloon payment kayo sa dulo, mag-advance payment kayo on top of your monthly down payment, baka hindi na rin kayo mag-loan sa future. Number 6 are their partner lending institution. Ito yung exciting part, guys. Huwag niyo muna i-skip, no? Dahil may mga special interest rate at partner lending institution itong mga to. Una, kay Zadia tayo, no? Si Zadia, ang partner niya, no, kung maglo-loan man kayo, is yung mostly mga local banks here in the Philippines. Ang average interest rate per annum niya is at around 6.5 to 8.5%. Depende pa rin, no? Tapos may fixing period. Like, na-avail ko yung promo ni RCBC for my Zadia unit, no? 3 years to pay siyang nakapix ng 6.5%. Pero after 3 years, depende kung magkano yung magiging prevailing interest at that moment. That's for Zadia. Ito yung isa sa steal for Una Apartment. As we speak right now, wag kayong mag-alala, nabubudol ako, no? Baka ito na yung maging second condo investment ko aside from Zadia. Talaga na in love ako. Si Una Apartment, in general, no? Yung community niya, si Zavina Park, dahil nga may platinum certification sila for LEED, no? Or Leader for Energy and Environmental Design. They are promoting green building and cost-efficient community, no? And energy-saving community na approve sila sa isang lending institution. If hindi nyo pa naririnig, government lending institution din ito, National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation under BERDE program, no? Dalawa pa lang yung na-approve na developer under this program. Dahil bakit, guys, no? Dahil doon sa green building cost efficient nila na project. 4% interest rate per annum, no fixing period. Kung na-approve kayo for 15 years, no, 4% kayo for the whole term. Hindi siya magre-reprice, hindi siya magbabago. Gano'n naman kaganda yon, guys, no? You didn't just bought the property, no? Actually nga, no, hindi naman masama na mag-loan, no? You're still buying time and you can use your money for other things, no? For investment. Pero ang maganda dito, kahit naka-loan ka, hindi ka tatagain sa interest. So that's really, really a steal. For Una Apartment, no, not being obvious or not being biased, panalo dito si Una Apartment, no, sa category na to. That's our 6 major points, no, for these projects, no. Ba't ka nagtataka, Jaire? Ba't walang cons? Ba't walang pros? Guys, wala naman talagang cons, no? Wala naman talagang negative na masasabi ako. Even kahit hindi ko dinidiscuss itong dalawa na ito, even other projects. May sarili-sarili lang silang pros, no? Pero magdedepende pa rin ito sa priorities and preferences or needs nyo as of the moment, guys, no? Bawal lang siraan dito dahil lahat sila real estate, father of investment, lahat sila nag-appreciate, no? And depende na lang din talaga kung ano yung mas magre-resonate sa'yo. Kung ang priority mo is budget, no? Kung titignan mo yung total contract price, kay Zadia ka. Pero, in terms of longevity, budget pa rin ito, no? Tapos kahit may ilo-loan ka at 4%, ganun pa rin naman, no? Makakatipid ka rin kay Una Apartment. If your priority is the size, yung elegance niya, no? Yung ganda ng dating dahil nga IKEA furnished siya, no? In terms of deliverable unit, meron na talagang mga major fixtures, no? Si Una, si Zadia kasi wala pa talaga, may overhead cabinet na nga talaga si Una Apartment. And then dito ka, no? Medyo nasa mas elegant kasi si Una Apartment. So depende talaga sa inyo. Siguro ang ma-highlight ko lang sa dalawa, wala kayong talo. Mapa end use man yan, mapa investment use, no, or rental purpose, kasi pareha silang napakaganda ng market. Expats for Technopark, students for University Belt of the South, and pareha silang katabi ng Greenfield Business District. It's just that very promising lang talaga si Savina Park ngayon. Kasi talagang nasa, beside siya ng sleeping giant, the Silicon Valley of the Philippines, which is Broadfield. Tapos, it's just across De La Salle University, 50-hectare development here in Laguna. Talagang tawid-tawid ka lang talaga when it comes to Una Apartment. At may mga available pa, guys, no? Ito, i-highlight ko kay Una Apartment. Mountain view, no? Carmona Mountains. As per the developer, dahil ang tapat lang naman ito is De La Salle University, hindi na mag-high-rise building forever na ganun yung view nyo. Sabi nga natin, di ba, it's location, location, location. Kung saan ka bumili, kung saan ang view ng unit mo, yun na talaga siya forever. So guys, alamin nyo kung magre-reserve ako or hindi dito sa Una Apartment, kasi isang linggo ko na talaga ito pinag-iisipan. But I'll let you know, guys, no? Ganun talaga, pag nai-inlove tayo sa project, since tayo yung nakakakita, mas nabubudol tayo, no? Well, ayokong gamitin lagi, no, yung budol, kasi talaga namang maganda when it comes to real estate investment kaysa natutulog yung pera mo sa bangko. Again, maraming salamat sa pagtutok. If you happen to be very interested with what I'm discussing right now, even outside the two projects, if hindi man condo yung gusto nyo, please, I am letting you guys know that I am available, no, through 0927-185-1590 or +63-927-185-1590. That's my local number, but I'm also available through iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp account for our clients living abroad. You can directly message me on my personal Facebook account, Jaire Valerio Mamaklay, or on my FB page, The Property Geek. That's also my TikTok. Maraming salamat. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe and like one of our videos. This is a free consultation call para makita ko at ma-diagnose natin kung ano ba talaga yung best fit property for you, kung bakit intention nyo na mag-invest, most specifically here in Santa Rosa or here in the Philippines. Again, guys, no, I'm also contributing, no, consistently twice a month in Manila Bulletin Property Living section. Maraming salamat sa pagtugtok, guys, no? And this has been Jaire Valerio Mamaklay, your Property Geek.